Hi guys, welcome back. Today is the day 9 of my 30 days workout challenge. And we're going to do our weight loss wheel. If you have watched my 2 other weight loss wheel, this will be the 3rd one. So this weight loss wheel, how it works is we will including of 1 hub exercise, which is the main move, together with 5 spoke exercise, the like assisting exercise. So we do 1 hub exercise and do spoke 1, and hub exercise again, and spoke 2 exercise, and so on, finished by the 5 exercise. And today we were going to do 2 rounds, so it would be about 17 to 20 minutes. If you have time, you can do 3 or 4 or so on, which is easiest to lose our weights. And the work ratios is 30-second work and 15-second rest. So that's all. Are you ready? Let's go! Going to start with the kettlebells. Kettlebell swing is our hub exercise, which is our main move. So I'm going to show you how to do the proper form, and then because we always go back to this main move. So we open your legs with the shoulder width and holding your kettlebells in this position. It just imagine you are just hiking in to reach your kettlebell, and we lower our torso and hinge our back backward when we're going to explosively swing. Thrust, just like we do the hip thrust and push it. So that would be engage our core and have working on our glute muscle. And if we don't have the kettlebell, you can do a dumbbell, same things where we're holding. So we just push. Okay, so are we ready? Let's start for the first round. Second rest. Then we move on to our first spoke exercise. The spoke exercise is a goblet squat. So when we're holding a dumbbell and it's our chest, and lower as low as you could, and we do 1. 15-second rest and go back to the kettlebell swing or the dumbbell swing. Okay. 15-second rest. Then we move on to our step up jump. We need to have a stool or a step, whatever you can have at home. Okay, we first do our left leg and put your head, your hands back, and in motion you just like jump like that, but you're stepping up and jump. Okay, so let's start it. Stepping up, jump. Back to the original position. Then 15-second rest, then we move on. Hub exercise, which is the kettlebell swing and going to the other legs. Fifteen-second rest. Then we move on to switch leg. Switch our right leg. Same as before, we do 30 seconds. Then we 15-second rest, go back to our main move. Our hub exercise again. Water break. Second rest. Then we go back to our dumbbell shoulder press. So you could have a heavier weights or 3 kg, 5 kg. So we're going to the left leg, left arms. Let's do 30 seconds. Rest for 15 seconds. Then we go back to our hub exercise, which is the kettlebell weights, kettlebell swing. Second rest, then we go back to our switch arm for the shoulder press. Then we move on to our second round. So before the second round, we will rest for 30 seconds and go back to the second round. Let's start. Put the place up. Put my face up. Don't push yourself too hard. That will be our proper form. So really using our muscle in our arm. And don't too fast. And 15-second rest. 30-second rest for the next round, sorry. So we finished complete the run round. Okay, can have a towel breaks or the water breaks, and we go back.
Put the place up. Put my face up.
Back to your second round.
Gotta roll up and now. See you from afar, got my thoughts in the sky. Where we used to kiss, sunshine, shit, and why? You gotta call me every day, pretend you're my baby. I see more real out there lately, it's crazy. Yeah, we could be the same as we claim in
the first
shit and
book exercise is the goblet squat.
Yeah, what goes around comes around. Keep 100, y'all. Do this for my soul like a dawn. Put the stereo.
Let's start.
Up my mind, but I love your style. You know I put the place up. Put my face up. Why you doing all that? Thought you was my wife, but you slapped me in the back.
You can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier, finished friends on my face, looking like I'm from the D. These no Cartiers, pockets deep, deep,
15-second rest. Then we move on to our step-up jump for the left leg first in the right leg. Then we move on to our hub exercise again. Second rest. Then we switch legs for the other side for the step up jump.
Come and ask us how we feel.
Okay, 15-second rest. Then we move on to our swing, kettlebell swing again. The hip exercise. So the last shoulder spread and we're done. Not long. Then we start with our shoulder press.
Front page headline red. Yet another black boy dead. But I can't hold my head till I can't fold my bread. Front page headline red. Yet another black boy dead. But I can't hold my head till I can't fold my bread. Feeling very blessed.
Wow. 15-second rest, move on to the hip exercise. And the last shoulder press. Last press, you're done. Okay, rock. Okay, let's do it. Congratulations, guys. See you tomorrow.